10 yards of topsoil for my front yard because I'm low on soil right here in front, and I'm low right there where you guys can see that hole, and I got basically on the side of the house over on the other side I'm low as well. I wanted to dump the soil right there, right in front of the window, and I told them that on the phone that they'd have to dump it in the front yard. I do have a curb, I do have a sidewalk. They say they could do it, so let's wait and see what they can do. Don't know how he's going to do it, especially with these cars parked there, because I don't know who owns the cars. I can't even get him to move them. But if he can back in there without sinking and getting stuck, great. If he can't, I'll probably refuse a load of dirt, because I don't want him to dump it on the street, because I got no way of moving it. And I mean, I don't know where else he could dump except in the front yard. And if he can't dump in the front yard, I'll have to do it half ton load at a time or something. But he says he can dump in the front yard, so let's wait and see. Okay, so he showed up with this. That's no 10 yards, I don't think. He said it's 10 yards for sure. He said there's definitely 10 yards in there. He said he can back in without a problem, so it's on him. If he gets stuck or breaks the sidewalk or anything else, that's all his problem, not mine. So I just figured I'd put this on video just to show what he's doing and go from there. He said he had no problem with it. I just hope that the sidewalk or the curb or anything don't break, and I don't think there's 10 yards there either. I really don't. I can't see 10 yards being on that trailer. I mean, tandem trucks usually deliver 10 yards. That's no 10 yards. It's like 5 yards, maybe. Well, he got it up there. Good driver. Okay, I'm going to stop this here for now, guys. Okay, so he did manage to dump it. Not exactly where I wanted it, but he dumped it. He says that's 10 yards. Well, I know for a fact there's 4 wheelbarrows of dirt to a yard, and I don't think I got no 40 wheelbarrows full of dirt there. But either way, I took it. I mean, I had no choice in the matter. He was already here. But yeah, it should be enough for what I need here in the front anyway. So we'll get that done. And I just thought I'd show you guys, he didn't really sink into the lawn all that much. A little bit of tracking. More on the boulevard here, so I'll have to fix the boulevard a little bit there. But other than that, she's there, and I'll be able to fix up the low spots in my yard and have a little bit extra for my garden and stuff. And go find my shovel and start getting to work. Later, yeah, looking at it from here, yeah, I guess I do have a full 10 yards there. That's actually a really good 10 yards by looking at it. It's just that's outside, from up close it didn't look like it, but from here in the house and looking down at it, yeah, there's definitely 10 yards there. Hey Pix, what you doing, pretty cat? Eh? Hi, say hi. Anyways, guys, so I didn't do any video on the dirt, guys, but I did set up my garden here for this year. I put a cage around it because the dog was jumping into the box, even though it's 4 feet high. So I had to put like a cage around it, so I did that. I got fresh dirt in the garden box ready to go. I already started some peas in here. I don't know if you can see, they're starting to sprout in the basin there. But anyways, I also got myself my 5 buckets. They're going to be tomatoes. So that's going to be for tomato plants. And that big load of dirt. Yeah, lots of fun that was today. But it is all spread out already. So I'll show you guys as we go along. It's spread out. And I also seeded it. So that's the actual dirt there. It's nice and spread out up where it's supposed to be. And I've already seeded the end that I want to seed. I don't want to seed right to the house, so I just seeded like an edge. So the edge is seeded. This side's all seeded in here. I threw some seed in there as well. And all the way around, you can see I got it all the way around the house now. And that big pile of dirt, no more. It's spread out on the yard. So you can see the 3 tracks from where the truck came in. They're all seeded up again and cleaned up. And you'd never know there was a truck in here. There's a few footprints in it from me seeding, but other than that, she's done, guys. So a lot better than it was. I don't know if you remember it from before, but I'm sure if you look back, you'll see that there. Now my lawn is done. and it looks a whole lot better once once all the seeds take effect there, and it's all seeded right now. So once all those seeds take effect, have nice fresh grass in there again. There's that one bare spot I left on purpose because it was a high spot, so I left that one there on purpose bare. But there's fresh seed in it as well, so it'll all match in the end. But there you go. That was my day's work today, guys. Shoveling 10 yards of dirt and basically setting up the flower beds along the house and seeding the dirt that I sowed or that I moved. So there you go. You can see how I did it there. I left a little trough in between there and just seeded up to where I wanted to seed, and that was it. So it's said, it's done, and I guess we'll call this a video. And that's how you get rid of 10 yards of dirt in one day. Later all.